Let's make liquid smoke air fried chicken in 20 minutes. Smoked chicken marinade in air fryer, or call it liquid smoked chicken in air fryer marinade, is here. We will take the whole chicken for this recipe. I have cut the chicken. I've told the butcher to cut the chicken into 2 pieces. So this is whole chicken without the skin. First we will add the chicken in the marination bowl. I have a very delicious ingredients for this. I'm taking cumin powder. Imagine smoky flavor in an air fryer. Wow. 1 tablespoon of the cumin powder, half tablespoon of the grounded black pepper, half tablespoon of the regular salt. We have smoky paprika, 1 whole tablespoon of smoky paprika. This is the main ingredient for this recipe. It's called liquid smoke and it makes the dish, it's a little bit dark in color. So we'll take 1 whole tablespoon of, add it right here. We will take honey, regular raw, 2 tablespoons. I was like, I should not put it in the spoon. It's not gonna come out easily. Another one, look at this. Apple cider vinegar, at least 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Soy sauce for it, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. All right, read this sauce. I say Worcestershire, 2 tablespoons of right here. This is canola oil. I'm taking at least 3 tablespoons of canola oil in here. We will be having delicious, yummy-licious, smoky chicken in air fryer. Spoon is there. It's time to give it a gentle mix. The honey will bring the sweet touch to it. So for now, we will put it face down so all the meat is in the sauce at the bottom, and this one too. At least 20 minutes. Leave it like this or put it in the fridge. At least 20-30 minutes. You can leave overnight. This is the smoky recipe for your air fryer. We will be cooking this in 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. We have marinated our delicious, right here, smoky chicken, right? Liquid smoked chicken for your air fryer. So for now, let's turn on our air fryer. Put it onto air crisp, right? It says 390 degrees. That's what we need. We need at least 40 minutes for it. After 20 minutes, we will take a look. We will do a sneak peek as we always do. So let's turn this on. It's on the pre. Air fryer is ready. Let's open this beauty. Grab our delicious smoky marinade chicken. Or how should I say? Liquid smoked chicken. This is how it's gonna look. Let's add one side. We'll put it upwards. Right here, and here is the other piece. So this is the whole chicken in the air fryer. Yum. Looking good. Don't throw this marinade yet. After 20 minutes, we'll brush it up. We'll paint this guy up a little bit more. So let's do the 20 minutes now. The first 20 minutes are in. I'll see you when this clock gonna say 20 minutes left. Been 20 minutes. I'm pretty sure our chicken is ready, okay, at this time. Here it is. Smoky, charred, delicious liquid smoke chicken in your air fryer. The best way to check it, we have to put the thermometer in the breast. If it reaches 165, it's completely done. Look at the juices it's coming out. OMG. Yum. And it tells our chicken is deliciously ready. Remember I was telling you about we will brush it. So we will take half tablespoon of garlic powder in here. This is the painting brush. Give it a mix. And final. So the chicken is juicy and colorful, not dry looking. Let's just paint this. Look how juicy it looks. Cover it for just 2 more minutes. And then we'll present this delicious liquid smoked chicken on our chopped. 2 minutes are gone and our yummy, delicious, the aroma is so awesome. So this is how it's gonna look. Steaming hot, smoky. Yes, land it right here. Other guy, come here. It's gonna be yum. This is whole. Oh my god. Enjoy this easy, simple recipe. Delicious, smoky, air-fried chicken is ready with all these beautiful ingredients. Alright, let's be a little bit fancy. Let's try the breast. Here it is, okay? This is the first bite. Look at the juices in it. Wow. I'm happy about it, seriously. And this will be the first bite. Get this. Get this. Get this. Get this. Get this. Get this. Get this, get this. Yeah, add it. Wow, man. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself and bye for now. It is really good. This is the aftermath. I'm telling you, it's not just me. I have a team. I have a cameraman.